do I get my keywords right? Don't worry, guys, I'll got you. Today I'll be teaching you how to get your keywords right. You know that keywords is one of the most important thing in becoming successful on Amazon. Hi guys, welcome back to my page. So today we'll be discussing about keywords. Keywords, how to get your keywords right. One is through Amazon. Yes, you don't need to pay anybody for you to get keywords and all that. For you to get your keywords right, you can actually get it freely from Amazon. When you log into your Amazon account, then you type any word you want to create book on. You click on that word. You see that plenty tests are coming out. So those tests are what people are actually typing on Amazon. So before you do that, so for you to get a very clean research, you have to log into your Amazon account using an incognito tab so that Amazon will not show you results based on your own search. So that's the ways of getting your keyword. Then you cannot pick from the list. Do you understand? You can pick from the list. But if you have money to do it another way, I will still show you another route where you get it. This one is the perfect one. That's 100% perfect. But these ones are for those that don't have money and you want to get your keywords right. These are the keywords you can use because these are what people type in on Amazon. So using them is right. Like it will give you